Hello, my name is Matthew Lynch, and I am the owner and founder of Pedagogue, a new social media network just for teachers. This is our homepage. As you can see, it's beautifully designed. At the bottom, we have a couple of paragraphs that tell you a little bit more about our site. Pedagogue is a social media network where educators can learn and grow. If you want to collaborate with educators from around the globe, sign up for a free account today and start making connections. In this video, I want to show you how to do three things: how to register for the site, how to edit your account, profile, and widgets, and how to navigate the site. Let's start off by showing you how to register for the site. You come to our homepage. There are a couple of ways to register. If you click on the Login tab, you can click this button right here, and it will allow you to register, but that form is a little bit more involved. Let's choose the easy way, which is to choose this particular form. Very easy. We need to change the email. All right. We need to accept the privacy policy. And voila, it is going to take us to our profile page. You don't have to wait for an activation email. You automatically are registered and transported to your profile page. I want to do something really quickly. I want to log out of this account, and I want to sign into my main account because it's already built out. I would rather go to the home page to do that. Choose my account. Now, of course, we're just building the website, so we haven't spent a lot of money on hosting. We're just using a shared hosting account in order to build this out. So it may seem like it's taking a lot of time, but when you eventually see this video and log in, it's going to be lightning fast. There are a couple of ways that you can edit your profile, your account, and your widgets. I'm just going to show you a few. You can come all the way down to the bottom and click Edit Profile Account Settings. You can come up here and click Edit Profile Account Settings. From here, you can click Profile Settings, Account Settings, or Widget Settings, and you can even click up here and you'll be able to access your account, your profile, and your widgets and edit them. Let's choose this option. We're going to go first to Profile Settings. And I'm going to show you how to edit your profile. All right. This is your general profile. You put in your name, your birthday, your first name, your last name. Some of these things are required. You could decide whether or not you want everyone to see it, whether or not you just want your friends to see it, or if you don't want it to show up at all. You can also fill out a teacher profile, which is really cool because the teacher profile gives us more information about you as an educator, where you work, your title, your years of experience, the subjects that you teach, the grade levels that you teach, your licensure. You can even put in your resume or your vita. Mine is pretty long, sorry about that. And you can also let us know whether or not you're open to freelancing opportunities. I'm going to skip these last two, they're basic. Hobbies and interests, contact, you can easily go in there and edit those sections. Now when it comes to account settings, the first section is email and password. If you want to change your email address, if you want to change your password, you can do it from there. If you want to change your notifications, you can be notified about certain actions that are taken on your account. You can do that here. If you want to export all of the data from your profile, you can do that here just by clicking that button. account privacy. And I hope I'm not going too quickly for you all, but I don't want to make a long video. I want it to be something that's short and something that you can go back to if you need more help. You can make your account private, and that's where only your friends can access it. Now, when it comes to widgets, there are several widgets that you can create. Some of these widgets are going to appear on the or in the overview section of your profile page, and some are going to appear on the sidebar of every page of your profile page. About me, even though we created a biography on our profile page, this is a about me biography that you can place on the side widget of every page of your profile. Here's mine. You can edit your skills. What skills do you have? What do you want fellow teachers and maybe even employers to know about you? For instance, I wanted them to know that I am skillful in ed tech, and you can put it in a percentage from 0 to 100, and you can color code it, and that lets people know the level of proficiency. You can create a portfolio, a slideshow. You can put in services that you actually provide, a project, quote, links, video, posts. You can even put in a section for Instagram and a section for Flickr. Now, when it comes to Flickr, Instagram, post, about me, these things are going to appear on the sidebar of every page of your profile. But when it comes to skills, portfolio, slideshow, services, project, quote, and also link and video, these particular sections of your profile widget is going to appear on the overview page of your profile. Let me show you what I mean. Let's go to my profile. Sorry, it's taking a second. All right, so let me show you what I'm talking about. So if I go to the overview page of my profile page, and the overview page is really a subpage. So if I go to the overview subpage of my profile page, this is what I'll see. I'll see that I've added a project. My featured project is Pedagogue, this site. I will see my skills color coded and listed as a percentage in terms of proficiency. I will see my portfolio, and for me, I added some of the books that I've written, and also a link to Amazon so you can purchase them. I've included my favorite quotes, or one of my favorite quotes: "Education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world." I've included my services and also my videos, or my favorite video. Now, of course, you would go to the widget section, and let me show you that again really quickly. We would go to widget settings in order to create those sections, and those particular sections that I just showed you show up on the overview subpage of your profile page. Now, from that widget section or the widget settings, I can also create little side widgets. For instance, about me. I can show recent posts or articles that I've written. I can put in my email address, my website, and my media. As far as the links section of my overview page, I didn't include that. Let me show you all one more thing, and I'm sorry I neglected showing you that. But if I go to profile settings, we're going to see two very important buttons that you need to know about. And these are the buttons that are going to allow you to create this avatar right here that I'm pointing to. Profile avatar, you click that button right there, in order to change your avatar. Or if you want to change your profile cover, you can do it from here. And what is your profile cover? You've already seen my profile cover. My profile cover is a photo of a school bus. If you're familiar with Facebook and some of the other social media sites, you know what a profile cover is. So since we're on the profile page and we're finished with step number 2, which is to show you how to edit your account, your profile, and your widgets. Now I'm going to show you how to navigate the site. And I'm going to start with your profile page. When you come to your profile page, the first thing you're going to see is your activity. I can make a post, rather a status update. I can do a regular status update, photo, slideshow, quote, GIF. One second. And there's some more options, video, audio, and link. We've looked at the overview page. The About Me page, we created all this information in the profile settings, which gives you a general profile, your teacher profile, your hobbies and interests. Way down at the bottom are my hobbies and interests. And also your contact information. Sorry for this taking so long. Of course, I have a long resume. Or rather, I included too much information in my resume. Here you can click in order to find out who your friends are or see any of your friend requests. Here you can click here to look at your groups. Let's look at the friends section. Of course, I just started the site, so I am the only registered user, and also my son is a registered user, but I created that dummy account. I can look at my groups. More, I can look at the articles that I've written on the post. I can look at my media. I can look at my bookmarks. These are just links to my other sites, the Advocate and the Tech Advocate. Let's look at the sidebar. Let's look at it from the home page. This is our sidebar menu. You can click here to look at your profile. You can look at the members news feed, which will show you all of the members on the site. I'm sorry, excuse me. You can look at the members. And again, the members news feed, I stand corrected. Tried to go too quickly. The members news feed is going to show you all of the updates for everybody on the site. This is the members section, which is going to show you all the members on the site. This will show you all of your friends, this tab right here. This will show you all of your messages and allow you to create messages. This is the notification section, which will show you all of your notifications. This will show you all of the groups that are on the site, and from there you can create a group or access the groups that you're a part of. You can access your blog. Again, these are just links to my sites, the Advocate and the Tech Advocate. If I come all the way down to the bottom, you will see that you can navigate the site from here. You can go to your profile and check out different things. You can look at members and groups. You can look at your blog or my blog, and you can submit articles to the blog. You can look at the main links. From here, you can submit an article. It's very easy. You have to give us a reason not to accept your article. I can click here to look at the blog. Very beautiful blog. From here, let's look at my groups. And it just will take you back to your profile page to look at the groups that you're a part of. I can look at all of the groups. There's 6 right now. I can click here to manage the group. I can look at the post. I can see the last time that it was active. And I can look at the number of members. So if I click here to manage the group, I'm able to edit the details, the settings, the photo, the cover image, the members, or I'm able to delete it. If I want to create a group, I'm going to follow this pattern. Here are the steps: details, settings, photo, cover image, and invites. And from your manage group section, you can edit this at any time. Of course, from here, you can edit your profile and account settings. I can view my profile from here. Now start here. If I click this, it just will give you an overview of the site. It will include this particular video also telling you how to navigate the site, how to register, and how to edit your account profile and widgets. It will also give you some neat ways to actually use the site. Frequently asked questions, contact us, and privacy policy, self-explanatory. The privacy policy is going to tell you more information about how we store data, how we keep your data safe, and also things such as what are we going to do in case of a data breach. This particular button will take you home. Now, we just completed the initial phase 1 initiative of the site, because I know you're looking at the site and you're saying to yourself, wow, seems like a pretty cool site, but it's no different than Facebook. What features does it have just for us educators? Well, we're planning to create several tools and apps that are going to be accessible either from our menu or from your profile page or both. And these apps and tools are going to be simple tools and resources and apps that you can use to increase your efficiency as a teacher and as an educator, to collaborate with other educators, and also is going to help you to, I guess you could say, produce positive student outcomes. This is going to help you give your students the best education that they can have. And just be on the lookout for that. And the cool thing about some of these tools is they're going to use artificial intelligence and machine learning, and they're really going to help you take your teaching to the next level. Well, that's it for this demo video. I hope that I answered most of your questions. We'll follow up with more demo videos to show you exactly how to use the site at an optimal level. So thank you so much for your time. We will see you on the flip side. Peace.